Today's story name is The Emotion Mirror. Let's get started. In a dusty corner of the playroom, little Blythe found a mirror. It wasn't like her other mirrors. This was shiny and new, and it seemed to twinkle. Blythe looked at her reflection and gave a big happy smile. The mirror didn't just show her face. A little word appeared right over her head. Happy, it said. Blythe's smile turned into a little frown. She scrunched up her nose and her mouth turned down. The mirror's twinkle dimmed just a little. Sad, it said. Blythe stomped her little feet on the floor. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Her face got red and her eyebrows went down. The mirror flashed a big, bright, fiery red. Angry, it said. Happy, sad, angry, Blythe said to herself. She giggled. What would the mirror say for a silly face? She had to find out. Blythe closed one eye and stuck out her tongue. Her other eye looked straight at the mirror. The mirror giggled back with a little wiggle. Silly, it said. Next, she put out her cheeks like a little chipmunk. The mirror puffed out its own shiny glass. Puffy, it said. Blythe wiggled her eyebrows up and down. She made her eyes wide and her mouth into a big round O. The mirror blinked back at her. Surprised, it said. Blythe took a deep breath. She wanted to make the funniest face of all. She tilted her head, crossed her eyes, and gave a huge wobbly grin. The mirror didn't say a word. It just showed Blythe's face full of laughing and full of joy. And in the corner of a new word appeared, shining brighter than all the others. Love, it said. That was a wonderful story. I loved reading with you today. Remember, every day is a new chance to discover more words and stories.
Thank you, friends. Keep reading and smiling. Bye. Bye. See you next time. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye.
Bye-bye.